defining problem, which is the last topic of Unit 3. The problem statement is nothing but the aim of your project, or this for which any issue for which you are trying to find a solution to. That to achieve the aim, we need to identify the objectives. Those objectives are smaller milestones to be achieved to achieve your final goal. Your final goal is your aim or your problem statement. So example, we will take this mini project. Okay, as I had said earlier that the problem statement has to be minimum 1 line or 2 line. They have done that. But if you observe this problem statement, if a person tries to see for the first time the audience, it becomes very lengthy and difficult to connect. So if you lose the connect of the audience, they are not interested later in your diagrams, in your proposed work, anything. To have a good user experience, this problem statement has to connect to the audience. So you have to make it more realistic so that the audience thinks that it is his or her problem and tries to listen to you for getting the solution of it. You're trying to understand. So first is that make it as short and precise. Why? Because bigger sentences, people don't, the moment you go on the second line, you forget the first line content. And while listening, people can't listen or read big lines. So the more the precise the problem statement is, the more user can understand. Okay, thank you very much for your patience listening. This is Dr. Aisha Battaglia signing off.